Today is the final day this wrap will be on the car. I'm doing the one thing I swore to never do again, going through an automatic car wash. It's time to take the wrap off. I thought I was gonna like it, and I did for a short while. I thought it was really cool color, and then I almost immediately ruined it with some waterless wash and wax. And as I look back on pictures of when the car, was gray, I've grown to like it. I'm gonna show you guys the process of peeling the wrap off. All right, I'm gonna start with the hood. Okay, so the first thing I'm noticing is that the paint has glue on it. So it's definitely gonna need either an IPA wipe down. I'm gonna have to go to the store and buy some isopropyl alcohol. Dude, this stuff is tough, man. This is by far the worst thing I've ever had to do with this car. I think part of the problem, I think a huge problem, is that Sergio and I overstretched it when we were applying it. And then all those cycles of hot and cold, it stuck on way, way too strong. Right here, that's glue. That's gonna suck to get off. That was the worst. This actually makes me nervous because this paint feels terrible. I mean, it's covered in glue. So I'm actually gonna go inside right now and see if I can find some isopropyl alcohol and then try to clean it up, see if it'll come off. Okay, I just went to Walmart and I got some Goo Gone. This is actually pretty safe. I mean, you shouldn't leave it on your paint, but this is safe to use for what we're doing. And also, if that fails, I got a couple of these isopropyl alcohol. So I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, and I'm gonna start on, Charlie, what are you doing? Come here, baby. I'm gonna start on the quarter panel next, just because I want to. Do me a favor concerning the knife, Jan. Should I get the 2012 front bumper or the Asian? Let me know in the comments, please. I really thought that I was set on the Asian front bumper, but the 2012 just looks really good. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, you're a happy girl outside. I think I need to apply some pressure. Yeah, it's gonna take some scrubbing to get this off. I probably should take this out into the sun. So one of my neighbors just pulled up and he started talking to me about the wrap because I'm taking it off right now. And he has a black Type R that I see driving up and down here all the time, so I'm gonna talk to him. Charlie, you gonna come? Come on. What is your name? Sorry?
Brandon.
Brandon? Nice to meet you, Brandon.
Nice to meet you.
So my girlfriend, this is my 9th gen too.
Okay, I thought so.
Yeah. So my girlfriend and I, like every time you drive by when we first moved in, I like peek through the blinds and I'm like, I can hear you. I know it's you every time you go by. Yeah. That's crazy. So why is it in the shop?
It's just it's my last time getting the oil change in the maintenance package.
Okay.
And they're doing the transmission flush. The techs there have never done a transmission flush on the Type R.
Okay.
So I showed up there close to close. Easy to empty it, right? The plug's on the bottom. They didn't realize to fill it. The fill plug is, you have to remove the air box. And so they didn't have time to do it. And he was like, I'm not trying to strip it by going at it at an angle. So they're like, oh, we'll give you a rental car and I'll have the shop manager do it tomorrow. So
what do you have done to it?
Intake, exhaust. Those I did pretty quick. That's just about it, really.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I might try to buy a Type R. We'll see. We'll see.
Good choice. It's my family car.
Okay.
I mean, it's a hatchback, right? So
Yeah.
it just fine as a family car, right? Like it fits a car seat in the back just fine. It's just so much fun as a daily driver.
Yeah.
Right. That's why, like, I'm not ready to go crazy with it yet. I think end goal is probably full E85 tune, right? That'll be so much fun. But
So you know about Derek Robinson then?
No.
Are you on the Facebook groups?
Mm-mm.
Do you have, here, let me get your number. If you want, I mean, I don't know how you feel about being on a YouTube channel, but
Yeah, it'd be cool, man.
if you'd want to, I mean, it would be cool to feature your car.
Jeez. All right. Well, I'm gonna head out and go pick up the Type R.
All right, nice meeting you, man.
Yeah.
Seriously, let me know if you want to be on the channel.
Yeah.
We'll do something.
Sounds like a plan, dude.
Cool. Later, man.
Later.
Well, that's pretty cool. Like, I've honestly been thinking about running out of my screen door right there and flagging that guy down. So that's pretty cool. It's coming. I mean, I think I'm gonna be able to finish it, but this is perfect thumbnail right here. Yeah, right there. And now let's do one of these. Yeah, I'll show you the rest of this door. It sucks. I have blisters on my thumbs, so I'm trying to use my other 4 fingers. That sucks, dude. We're gonna see how these all seasons do at the drag strip tonight.
Much better.
I know, right? So you literally just did intake,
exhaust. I put all season tires on it because I daily drive it too. The tires lasted like 20,000 miles.
Yeah. So what exhaust is that?
The thermal R&D.
Okay.
I got it off a guy. I found him on Instagram, which is kind of cool. His car's been to SEMA like twice.
No shit.
So he's
around
gone
here?
through closer to San Francisco, Bay Area. His name is Johnny Type R. Yeah, I got it off him for a real good deal. Sold my stock exhaust for almost as much as I paid for the aftermarket one. So
nice.
Cool. It's a nice, it's not super loud to the point where cops notice, but loud enough to really get on it.
Yeah, I mean, I can hear you from my inside my apartment, yeah. All right, it has been 2 days since I started peeling off the wrap, but I'm gonna go finish it up right now. I took this off. Unfortunately, that little metal piece snapped off. I think I'll be able to curl it back around. Yeah, the glue residue that's left on this that's what I'm about to go do after this, is go try to clean that up. That's gonna be its own separate video because that's gonna be a huge process. It sucks right now because this is not in the sun. It's not in direct sunlight right now, so it's cooled down a little bit, even though it's like 85 degrees outside. So here we go. Today is Monday, October 19th. Sorry, I mean, I started peeling this wrap off almost a week ago now. The only things I have left are the trunk right here, and I just been lazy. I have to take the spoiler off again to get this wrap out because it's flat. Like, we laid it flush over here, so I have some little parts down there I have to get to, right there. Also, I am just going to rip off the plasti dip and just have the chrome badges. I'll just put it all the way back to the way it was. And then I have that door handle, and I think that's it. There's just a bunch of little parts here and there, but I'll finish that up when I finish recording the video of taking all the glue residue off. It's a process. I spent probably, well, I don't want to get into that yet, but I spent a lot of time doing it and I only got a little bit done, but I know how to do it safely. It'll get done. So yeah, that's about it with the wrap for that car. I actually am pretty backed up. I have, oh my god, I think I have 5 videos recorded waiting to be edited and uploaded. So I'm gonna try to do like every other day for the foreseeable future. And then, so here's something interesting to think about as well. And I want to hear you guys' opinion. So the 9th gen, I looked at the analytics. I checked up on the analytics of, you know, my recent videos of the past like 2 months since I got the 9th gen. And there are a lot of 10th gen vlogs that I've done that have gotten less views by a couple thousand than the 9th gen. Like for example, the video where I just put new tires on the 9th gen and kind of ripped around town a little bit, that got more views than probably 2 or 3 of my recent driving vlogs with the 10th gen, like the Togue driving. And I don't know, people like the 9th gen, I guess, and I love the 9th gen too. I think it comes across more genuine in the videos because I truly love this car. Even though it smells like a dead person, I love it. So I have awesome news. I'll tell you guys a little bit what's going on. I don't want to ruin everything. So today's Monday the 19th. I have the exhaust coming in tomorrow for the 9th gen. I'm going to put it on this week. I have 2 races already set up with the 9th gen. Also, in about 5 minutes after I'm done recording this video right here, I'm going to start the video of installing the Flash Pro on the 9th gen. Yeah, I'm not going to get into that, but it's going to be awesome. I'm going to do this the right way. It's going to be a very incremental process of fully bolting on this 9th gen. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait. I love this car. I love it already. So considering the 10th gen, well, here, let me start with this. I looked for a couple Type Rs and I inquired about them, 2020 Type Rs nearby. One dealership wanted 45,000. The other one wanted 47, almost 48. So obviously that's not a good deal. So I've also been looking for Corvettes. There are quite a few pretty decent Corvettes that are for sale nearby and for pretty decent prices. C6 Corvettes, of course. The 2021 Veloster Ns have also started hitting dealerships. The thing about those is they don't hold their value as well as a Type R or even a Corvette or even a Civic Si. I mean, they hold their value pretty well, but I am going to lose. Like, if I were to get a Veloster N right now or next month, and then when the BRZ comes out next spring, early summer, probably going to lose money, even if I put like a $4,000 down payment on the Veloster. See what I'm saying? So to sum this all up, I know that the safest bet would be to get a Type R. I'm pretty sure all of my viewers would love that. I think all of you guys would love that. Am I going to see the most growth with a Type R as a YouTuber? I guess I'll tell you this too. If you're watching this far, you're a home dog. The past 2 months, I've made $1,200 on YouTube, which is really good for a YouTube channel of my size. If I could make, listen, I don't like my full-time job. It doesn't make me happy, right? I do it because that's what I signed up to do, and that's what I signed up to do, you know? But hey, I mean, this is becoming more and more of a serious thing for me, and it started out just as a thing for fun. I mean, geez, only having 10,000 subscribers, I probably going to clear $1,400 this month. And that's awesome for just having fun and making videos of my cars. So basically what I'm trying to say is, if I want to grow as a YouTube channel, like as a YouTuber, as a content creator, there are other vehicles right now that I could get that I am very interested in, that I've always wanted, that I do want, and would result in much more growth, theoretically, unless something goes terribly wrong and it's not meant to be for me. But I don't know, I have a really good feeling that if I were to get a Corvette, a C6 Corvette, and just do the same thing I do with the 10th gen and the 9th gen, just buy the car, do a couple races with it stock, take it to the drag strip, maybe take it to the track, and then start doing some bolt-on modifications, do the air intake, do a catback exhaust, get a tuner, get a dyno tuned, and then go race some more, and just kind of, I don't know, like the same exact thing I'm doing, just with a different car, because it's an effective formula and I really enjoy doing it. So I hope you appreciate me telling you guys that. I mean, I know it's kind of a weird thing to talk about your income, but this isn't my income. Well, I mean, it is my income, but it's not my primary job. It's not my career, although I'd like it to be. There's a lot of stuff that's on my mind, and it's pretty difficult. I know I'm not going to please everybody. I know there's going to be people who are watching this right now, and you know, they're not liking the words that are coming out of my mouth. You know, I wish I could please everybody, but realistically I just can't. It's impossible. But what I do know is that with this stock 9th gen, I've gotten really good views, I've gotten really good responses, and if I get another car that I am truly interested in and truly want to own and drive and make content with, then I think I'll be happier at the end of the day. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna end this video here. You're gonna be seeing this video Tuesday. Pay attention for Thursday's upload, because it's gonna be a Variable Tune giveaway and also the video of taking that to the drag strip. It's gonna be a good video. That's all I have for this video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. You're awesome. I'll see you next time.